In this quick tutorial, you will learn how to replace the battery in your GMC Savana key fob. Now there are two different versions of this device. One just has this open trunk button and the other does not, but it doesn't matter which one you have. They're the same. I'm just going to be opening one of them, but the process to open them up is the same and they both take the same battery as well. So this whole thing is going to take you under 5 minutes to get done. And the only things you'll need are a regular flathead screwdriver and one CR2032 battery. Now, if you don't have one of these batteries lying around or you're not sure where to get one, make sure you go check out the link in the description. That first link will take you over to Amazon where you can find these batteries that you need for these devices for just a few bucks. So go give that a look, and then once you have everything you need, you can get started. What you want to do is look down where the keyring attaches here on the bottom, and right to the right of that, you can see there is that slot right along the seam. Take your flathead screwdriver, insert it into that area. Just kind of wiggle it in there. There it is. And once it's in there, you can just turn the screwdriver a little bit and this thing will open up for you. Now, sometimes the circuit board can kind of fall out. That's okay. That's actually what we want. It's going to make things a little bit easier for us. And so if it's not coming out, just repeat what I did there. Grab on the battery itself and just pull it out. There we go. And if the rubber is starting to come out, just push it back in there so that the little buttons fit through the holes, and then set that to the side. So all we need to do is push on the battery and just slide it out. And once we have our battery out, we can of course dispose of the old one and grab our new CR2032 battery. And when we're putting it in, we want to make sure that the positive side, mine's a little bit scratched up here, but the side that has the plus sign on it and the text, the battery information, that needs to be facing up. So you will slide it in here, positive side up, and then we're just going to put it back together. So go ahead and grab the front of your device that has the rubber in there and just drop the circuit board in with the battery facing up and just push down on the battery gently to make sure that it's sitting flat. And then all we need to do is put the back on there and squeeze. And just really quick, I will show you that on this other device, the process is the same. Just going to go in, twist, open it up. You can see this one is kind of falling apart. So again, if the rubber comes out, it doesn't matter. You just pop it back in and come over to the battery. So you can see this is a little bit different. The other one had a piece of metal coming over across like this. This one's actually a little bit easier. You just slide it out with your thumb. There we go. New battery in, positive side up. And once more, we're just dropping it into the rubber and clicking the back on there. So it really is that simple. I hope this was helpful for you. And if you're doing this at home, good job. You saved yourself a trip to the car dealership. You probably saved yourself a bunch of money. These batteries are just a few bucks, so it's always easier to do this yourself at home. And if you ever find yourself in need of help with another key fob, you can come back to this channel because we have tutorials just like this one for the key fobs for almost every make and model out there. And you can also get that information over at our website, FobBattery.com.